So you've just had your Brazilian butt lift, and there's a few burning questions on how to take care of yourself. The first question is, how do you sit and sleep? When you first return back to the house, the best thing to do is to sit on very soft pillows, usually called Bobby pillows, for the first 4 weeks of surgery. Also, when you're sleeping, you want to sleep on your side to help not crush the newly transferred fat cells. Keep in mind that about 30 to 50% of the fat cells will eventually die over the first 4 weeks and not survive the transfer process. So you want to try to sit on soft pillows, Boppy pillows, and you want to sleep on your side for the first 4 weeks. The next question is, how do we take a shower? For the first 4 to 6 days, there's really not going to be a major showering process because we want the holes of the liposuction to heal up and seal without dirty water from the shower getting into them. So the first 4 to 5 days, you're going to be basically sponge bathing yourself. After that, a full shower is usually started on day 5, 6, or 7, depending on how many puncture holes for the liposuction and what your doctor recommends. The next question is, how long do we have to wear this garment? So usually a post-op Brazilian butt lift patient wears a garment for about 6 to 8 weeks after the procedure. And that's pretty standard to help minimize swelling and help keep the shape and contour of the fat that we transferred. An average overall downtime for a Brazilian butt lift is about 6 to 8 weeks, but most people will return to work after 1 to 2 weeks and start to resume their normal activities after 2 weeks. People will start light activity and light exercise at 3 to 4 weeks and usually will resume their usual exercise routine at 6 weeks. Typical post-op visits are at 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So we'll be seeing you frequently after your procedure. Although you will see your results from your Brazilian butt lift immediately, the immediate effects with swelling and some of the fat transfer cells that won't make it usually looks larger than the final result. So whatever you see the first few weeks will usually shrink to the final result at about 8 to 12 weeks. After the first few weeks of recovery, light activities like walking around the block are acceptable. However, a full exercise routine usually isn't resumed till about week 6 or 7 after the procedure.